Hey, this is WM Wiretalker. I have been off of YouTube for a while. I decided I wanted to do a 2020 video, and I have a special one in mind. I'm going to change formats, do things a little bit different. Still filming off of an iPhone or an iPad. So I have what I have, and that's what I'm going to use. Wanted to put out into the world a little bit of something that is close to my heart. Spicy food and condiments, hot sauces, rubs, chips, you name it, I like it. So, first thing we're going to mention is I want to do reviews of hot sauces, not bottles of extract garbage. Things with flavor, things that will spice up a foodie, a gourmet chef, a person that enjoys eating life. Will spice it up and bring them happiness. Now, I usually eat hot stuff. Hot food is my pastime, a passion of mine. I love it. Anything spicy. So, with that being said, I'm going to mention my favorite hot sauce for right now. Now, I got this 2 years ago, and if you look, there's a little bit left. This is Mickey Five's Reaper Unleashed. Now, this hot sauce is good. It has flavor. Don't make the Reaper mistake and buy somebody's garbage with extract. This has, and if you can see it, lots of little particulates inside there. Real vegetables, real spices in the sauce. It is good to the taste. And I got this at the Austin Hot Sauce Festival 2 years ago. And now it's almost gone. I'm going to have to order another bottle. But I like this hot sauce. Now, Carolina Reaper, you see and hear a lot of things. I eat it. I don't care. I like it. And so far, I haven't found anything that makes me tear up or sweat or anything. When they gave me this, the guy said, sign a waiver and let me put just a little bit on a toothpick, blah, 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 and they'll let me give it to you on the chip. You passed our little test. Got the chip, told him to go ahead and hand it to me. I ate it, and then I asked for another one with a little more hot sauce on it so I could really enjoy the flavor. And the guy looked at me like I was crazy. But that's what I did. So, Mickey Five's Reaper Unleashed. It's good. Now this brings me to another conversation. I like another company, Pocky. And they had the Reaper Challenge. Well, I didn't realize they had a challenge until it was too late. Been buying the big bags, didn't see any with the little challenge on them. Evidently, they ran it for 3 months, October to December, for one chip. Before that, you could buy the chip. It was like $75, I believe. And as much as I like hot stuff, I'm not paying $75 for a chip. Not one chip. Now, this chip that they have and the challenge and their wall of infamy, I'm calling you guys out. This is pathetic. It was a good scam. A lot of people have bought the chip. And even more played and won the chip. And that's all fine and dandy. This bag size is 2 ounces. Man up and make a 2-ounce bag of the chips. Sell it at a reasonable price and make a new challenge. Finish the bag without a drink. and put a time limit. Don't be a pansy. I not only will whip your challenge, but I will put it on YouTube and laugh. I have no response to hot food. And this is my first video, 2020. Pocky, make a Reaper chip 2-ounce bag and put it on the shelf